Hey, healthcare professionals! Today, let's dive into the future of nurse call systems with BEC Integrated Solutions Advanced Wireless Nurse Call Systems. It's packed with features that make your job easier and your facilities safer. First up, we've got the Deskmaster consoles, the MV200, the MV500, and the Computer Master. You can mix and match any of these with your system. The Computer Master and MV500 support up to 65,000 transmitters, so no worries about growth limitations. The MV200 handles up to 100 transmitters. All three of these masters supervise all field devices. Whether it's a low battery or a device going offline, you're covered. They also integrate with pocket pagers and dome lights when needed. Both the Computer Master and MV500 come with an HDMI output for big screen connections and can be viewed from any computer or tablet on the network. For facilities with wander risk residents or patients, this system doubles as a wander elopement system. You get a full-blown wireless nurse call and resident wander management system in one. Your devices, door controllers, and wander risk pendants all operate on the same wireless network, eliminating the need for separate systems. Installation, super easy. All devices, including your repeaters, are wireless. We program the entire system for you before shipping. Your Deskmaster consoles hold the programming, speeding up installation. Choose any installer you like, your maintenance department, IT, low voltage contractor, or anyone else. Plus, tech support is free for the life of the system. When your master console is networked, we can diagnose or help remotely. This system operates on a 900 MHz hopping frequency, so no interference with other wireless tech in your facility. And here's a bonus. Our system doesn't use any products made by Innovonics, ensuring peace of mind since none of the equipment is from a third-party manufacturer. Our systems are always backwards compatible, meaning you never have to replace equipment because of updates. Even devices bought 20 years ago will work with our latest software and master consoles. Huge advantage, right? Manufactured in the USA, our wireless nurse call systems at BEC Integrated Solutions have led the industry for almost 20 years. Used in all 50 states, many foreign countries, and over 2,500 medical facilities, our system ensures staff and patient safety. And if you need a wireless UL1069 nurse call system, we've got that too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into healthcare tech. See you next time.